So we've been towing all summer long with the Gladiator, this behemoth, and the gas mileage has really gotten crappy on this thing. We're just now at 31,000 miles, so we're 1,000 miles past due on the air filter change. So I want to go ahead and get that done real quick and see if it makes a difference. And when I say the gas mileage has gotten crappy, this trailer is about 5,500 pounds loaded, and if we aren't drafting off of semi trucks, we're talking 6.5 miles to the gallon. So that's pretty unacceptable to me. When we first got this thing, we towed with it the first year a lot, and I think it did more like 10 miles to the gallon, and that was without drafting, so I would be more happy with that. So let's get this air filter out of here real quick, and we'll see if it actually makes a difference. I don't have a film crew with me, so y'all are just gonna have to be propped up there. I don't think I've ever seen a screwed together airbox in a very long time. Actually doesn't look too bad. I was hoping to see it look a heck of a lot worse than that. Got us a brand new Wix filter. If you guys could post up in the comments below, for those of you guys that tow with your Gladiators, I'd like to know what y'all are getting for fuel economy while towing, and what you're towing and how heavy and all that good stuff. These screws are just going into plastic, so go easy on them. That's it. As soon as it stops, it's done. Making sure they're all down. Get our clamp. All right, I will report back in the comments when we get home to see if this made any difference whatsoever. And we'll see what happens.